Okay, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I just capitalized on this sell position. Um, but before then, my name is Collins King, and if you're just joining me for the first time, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell as well so you get notified when I drop new content like this because I always drop gems. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a trade breakdown of how I just capitalized on this recent sell position from here. And if you watch my previous video, I did show how I took this sell position from here, and I equally said that price was going to come here, reject from here before I potentially go long again. Please excuse me. So as I was saying, if you watch my previous video, I did tell how price was going to potentially give me a pullback here and how I was going to capitalize on this buy move. But I didn't capitalize on this buy move simply because I didn't get my entry criteria. Okay, but I'm going to be doing a trade breakdown, obviously, of how I was able to catch this aggressive sell to the downside right now. And yeah, let's actually get started with it. So I'm just going to mark out the charts quickly, okay, and we're going to analyze price action together so everybody understands what's happening. So obviously from yesterday, I saw this as a higher high, higher low, high, gave me a pullback, to this level, to this level, right? Gave me a pullback to this level, and then we had this aggressive buy to the upside. Now, I wasn't able to capitalize on this buy position from here simply because I didn't get my entry criteria, but it's all good. It is what it is, right? And price came all the way to here, pullback. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I took an L from here yesterday, but I wasn't able to make that video because it was late in the night. You can see this is by 7, opened at 7 and closed at 8. So I took that buy position around 8 p.m. at night, and it was a loss, so I wasn't able to make that video. Okay, but I'm going to be doing this video today about this sell position that I took from here. Okay, so let's get this out of the way so you guys can understand the analysis. And as you can see, this is a high, low, high, boom, super aggressive, came down here, and it was rejecting from this mini support level. You can see it went back high, low, high, bam, high, and it broke super aggressive to the downside. Okay, so what I was looking at basically was to get some sort of pullback to this level. This was my plan A, right? 78.94, and this was my plan B. You can see 79.09 basically for my price, right? 79.09 was my plan B, and you can see this is my max threshold right here. Okay, so since this guy broke to the downside, that means direction has changed basically, and sellers are now in control of the market basically. So don't forget, while this is still for a buy, all of this is still in buyer's territory, so don't forget that. Okay, so we have this pullback. You can see max threshold right here, and we have this nice pullback to this level. Okay, you can see this candle opened as 1 p.m, closed as 2 p.m, and when it closed, I had to go down to 15 minutes time frame, which is where I always get my entry criteria from. Went down to 15 minutes time frame, and I was able to capitalize on this trade from there. So, but before then, we can see this is like on 15 minutes time frame. This is the lower low, lower high, low, high, low, high, low, and we have a break of structure. Now, 15 minutes time frame is pushing to the upside, and this was where structure broke from, basically, right? This was where structure broke from, pushing to the upside, and as you can see, this is as one open as 1:30, closed as 1:45. Next candle opened as 1:45, closed as 2 p.m. Now this red candle actually opened as 1:45, closed as 2 p.m. So all I did was simply take my position from here. Just give me a minute. I think my network is lagging. Okay, so I took that position from there basically for a 100 pip move. Now take profit hasn't been hit yet, but I'm sure for a fact that take profit will be hit. I may or I may not update this video once take profit get hit, but if you eventually watch the video, do well to go check on a price, because definitely take profit will get hit. Okay, so I don't know why this is lagging, but I took the trade from here from 78.97 basically using trading view price, and my take profit will be 77.97. But based on the fact that price came all the way to my plan B, which is 79.09, right? My take profit is going to be at 78.09 basically. So my take profit is going to be at 78.09. My network is lagging. That's why my risk reward ratio is not coming up. I don't know why. I don't know why. Where I'm at, network is really poor. So I just hope you guys get the check though. That was basically how I was able to analyze this market and potentially capitalize on this trade. Okay, so we've now come to the end of this video, and if you did gain any sort of value, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell as well, so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible. So today's date is 7th, as you can see. This is like a live trade, this is a live market. So I'm just putting out the trade breakdown so everybody would understand how I do view the market before I actually place a trade. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.